Okay, let's play catch up, shall we? Uh, so I did end up taking one trade this morning. And to break one cardinal rule, which is I did not get up early enough in order to prepare for the market and then take my trade. However, I still took my trade, and therefore I still technically have to put in my trade. And as you guys saw yesterday, I took my trade. I didn't get the opportunity to move my targets simply because, oh, my little itty bitty son, he was calling me. Wah, wah, wah. So I picked him up. As soon as I picked him up and brought him back to the screen, unfortunately by then it had just moved and took me out of that trade altogether. So it is what it is, right? Who cares? So what I'm going to do is actually update my TradeZilla accordingly. Add a trade. Desktop application, monitor tab, account statement, and then just go from yesterday's. Let's see here. There we go. So let's see what happens. Right? Where's the export button? Export to file. And desktop account. I can delete it later. And as you see, I still took my trade for today. Right now we're down. Let's see what happens. Pinocchio. Desktop. Alright, there we go. So far, a horrible year, but again, this is my first year officially really attempting this. Good bounce back. Now we're basically a even Steven type of style. Okay, dashboard, daily journal. Gross P&L was $6, commissions was $7, so we ended up losing $1 and change simply because of the commissions. And that was only simply because I could not move my targets quick enough. Otherwise, it would have been a nice profit. It is what it is. And then today, one trade. In turn, it's going to be a loser at the end of the day because I got to close it out for a 0. Simply because of the fact that if you look here, oh, actually I don't even know where to look because I never even said what kind of position I'm in. So let me first show you that. Let me see here, how do I do this? There we go, almost there. Don't worry, we'll get, hang on a second. Send to number 2. There we go. So, there's my target. Unfortunately, I bought way over here, like 40 some cents. So, here we are, it is what it is. I think I'm actually just going to close it out as soon as we get closer. Boy oh boy, slowly going up every time. I also get the feeling like the rug's about to be pulled, so. First lower high. Oh, is this gonna be it? Go over my PA account. I'm also going to be looking at SPY or NQ, sorry. NQ. NQ is struggling on the daily. Ooh, it is at a technical level. Could get in here, set my stop loss right up here. What is that, about 10 points? 200, so that's a $400 stop loss. And then let me show you where I'm coming up with that. It's actually from here. This is a 1 hour chart right here. Because it's a 1 hour chart and the 1 hour just started. Don't know what it's gonna look like. Such a longer time frame, right? Let's go down to the 5-minute chart and see what that looks like. So that's what the 5 minutes looks like, which is why we don't touch it. And it looks like it's going to go higher at the end. Kind of wanted to play on the short side. So right now, technically, I'm losing out if I don't buy in now. Simply due to the fact that I can see it is reversing or continuing in the upward trend. Boop, boop, and then boop. So here we are with that going. So yeah, the VWAP on this one, shall I? Drawings. I'm gonna drawing studies. Yeah. A study called VWAP. There we go. Apply, hit OK. Turn off the upper and lower bands. I don't like it. Don't need it. Cool. Turn off the lower band. Obviously I could have done that all in one go. Oh, that's going to be a strong one. projecting so nicely. But unfortunately, I picked a direction, so I can't pick a direction for it. It needs to be the one to pick the direction, right? Based on this, I should technically be going short. So, you know what? I'm going to say my prayer and go for it. I might have gone for it for too soon, but hey, I went for it. That's all that matters. Just gotta keep pushing. Yeah, I'm not even gonna check it out. You can tell it's gonna be an amazing trade just the way it's going. Look at that. Okay, so at the moment I am, technically speaking, panicking. I am feeling like I got in at an impulsive entry. However, I do feel like it is the correct entry at the end of the day, simply because of this one here. We are breaking below, right? And therefore I believe I am correct. So I need to allow my analysis to play out. And that's the reason why we're also recording this, so that I can go back and watch it and know that I am correct in the long run. I also have my automatic stop loss in, so let's see how that looks like and how that's going to play out. That's a very nice rejection to the point where I don't even need to worry about anything, right? Look at the volume. Look at that nice bar down. Five minutes, it's almost over. Look at that, boom, boom, we're in profit, baby. There you go, that's where we're going to leave it. After this, just let it do its thing. Just let it go, let it do its thing. Come on, come on. Here we go. Patience pays off. It's okay, it paid off. There you go. And it's officially over. We made some money today. Here we go. There you are, 160 bucks minus commissions, 151.64. Done. Call it a day. Boom, boom. Adios. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is, where is it? Obviously this is a joke, okay? This right here is a complete joke. As they say, joke. Tools, workspaces, connections, new executions. There we go. That's what I want. Export this. Okay, I'm also going to upload that into our TradeZilla. Alright. And that's how quickly you can earn or, give back. Pow. There you go. Now we're doing it. Doing it well. Daily notes. Actually, not that one. Trade notes. Alright. Unfortunately, I have a horrible stop loss here. So 2060 was 10 points. So stop loss would have been 2970. Okay, so this is a horrible return compared to what our price target was, right? Because we also do it based on our actual stop losses. We don't do it just based on this target here, whatever target is. Yeah. No. It's going to go according to how it's going to go. I'm going to change the time frame on this. What, the daily? 1 minute. Oh yeah, we don't want that. We want the 5 minute. Not quite sure what's going on there. It's probably delayed a little bit. Anyways, let's go down here. Trade plan. Oh, I should have, yeah, let me move this around so it's easier for me to work on it. And then you guys can watch how I update this. Short 2. And 20960.25. Stop loss was 20970.25. 10 points away. Target number 1 is always 10 points, roughly. So that would be 2950.25. However, I do like to lock in my gains almost instantly. And I know it's a bad habit of mine, but here we are. Look at that. See, right back at it again. But we're not going to play anymore here. Already out of the trade. There's no reason for us to go back unless we want to do it on our next test, because I'm trying to get 2 accounts all at all, but I'm gonna wait. So I don't think it's quite ready for another one. And it's okay because it is going down already. And then our second target is always 10 more points away from the first target. So that's going to be 2940.25. It's always rough. 10%, 10%, or 10 points, 10 points. But if we're watching it now, if I would have just stuck in it, where is it? There it is. Look at that. Would have been up to 20 points completely. Right down here is so VWAP is roughly at the 2940. So that's also why we're bouncing off of that. But hey, maybe my puts are coming back. Hey, let's go. Alrighty, let's see, where is my trading journal? Because I need to finish this up before I can move on to my next item. And then where is my chart? There it is. No, not the SPX one. I want to see where the NQ one is. NQ, there it is. Alright, let me take a screenshot of this. Here. Where's my undo button? I guess there's no undo in this thing. Oh, that's crazy. Wait, can I do that as well? Ooh, let's see if I can do this together. First time ever trying this. While in the middle of screen recording, I also do this. Ooh, yeah, you can do that. That's crazy. Copy image to the clipboard. What did I see? I saw. My 2963 level NQ rejecting. So I saw my NQ level rejecting. A nice momentum candle. Therefore, I took my trade. Got my auto break even. Happy with the trade, but should have trusted my analysis. This just means I was leveraged to hit. During the trade, I felt good. I pushed myself to hold on as long as I can. What did I do right? Took my trade let's see, what did I do wrong? This basically means what did I do wrong here? I didn't trust my analysis enough. Now I see it dropping like the rug was pulled, and see chart 2, 4. What it looks like after I exit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, son. It's crazy. It's so freaking wild. But basically, we're done for the day. Hey, oh baby, we are good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this recording and upload recording. Haha. Great.